Hi there, I'm Java Jim with First Line Equipment. And what do we have in front of us today? We have an espresso machine that's on a pallet. This is the Tory, but this is just used for an example. Okay, we do have espresso machines that do sometimes need to be shipped, and in some cases, customers may sell the machine or have to send it for repair, and it needs to go on a pallet, because not every espresso machine can be shipped common carriers such as UPS, FedEx, or Postal Service. So we have some poly strap here. We're going to show you an example of how this is done, as well as a buckle. And typically, what you need to remember when it's on a pallet, forklift trucks will have their forks go in through the bottom of the pallet or the side. And when you have a poly strap, and even sometimes a metal strap, which is really hard because you need a special tool, but a poly strap can break. So you need to sometimes add additional straps when you're using a poly strap. And typically what we like to do is get near the center, so like right down in here, or the center over here, or along one of the flaps. And in this case, we don't want necessarily the poly strap to run along the bottom. What you want to do is you want to get in here, okay, go over the machine, get to the other side towards the middle, and then you're going to almost double strap. Now here there's a lot of excessive strap, so to save, and I'm not sure where all these straps can be purchased. Sometimes you're going to need to go to a supply house. I'm not sure if your office supplies will have them. And as you can see, I am fighting the straps. And then what you're going to end up doing is using the buckle to get it together, and we'll show you how to do that. So you want a little bit of an overlay on the strap for the excess, and cut the way excess off. And then you'll have two pieces here. Okay, with the buckle, okay, if you see the closed portion is on the bottom, you need to go in one side, over the open portion, and then in between where you came. And what you're doing is you're creating a loop around this outer side, and then you're pulling, okay? You're going to pull till you have some slack right there. And then on the other side, okay, we'll straighten this out. Again, hard to hold. In through the closed loop on the bottom, okay, over the open to the top, and in between. So the same thing. Now, you just pull on the two ends really hard, and that will tighten it. And again, you want the straps towards the center of the pallet. Sometimes you can shift it and close it here, but you want to basically tighten as hard as you can, and then just remove the excess like that. And you're going to strap multiple times using this method. So as you can see, we put on one strap, holding this espresso machine on the pallet. But this is usually not enough. You want to basically go two this way and two this way. And if you have two boxes, you're going to do two over one box, two over one box, and then two over the other box. I know it probably doesn't make sense, but you want to strap it as best you can, because if one or two straps break, it still needs to be secure. If not, the machine comes off the pallet and it will get damaged for sure. So please use this method if you're shipping via pallet. Again, if you're reselling the machine that was shipped to you on a pallet, if you got to send it back for repair, or in certain small cases, if you received a damaged machine and you need to ship it back, this is the method you're going to use. And if there's a damaged machine, we will get involved to send you the straps, because once you break the straps with scissors, they no longer can be reused. Thank you for watching. This is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. Have a great day. As we say, coffee first, everything else second.